Wednesday, October 2nd, we begin by completing the lesson 3.4 warm-up, as we usually do. In terms of the standards, we're constructing written scientific arguments based on the evidence to explain which geologic process formed the channel on Mars. You should consider new questions that you have about the Mars system and past habitability on Mars, and base that on the outcome of some new investigations, which we are presented to in a video. So you, before you go, should write your argument in the text box. You should choose water as your claim, and you should use all the information on the whiteboard that we reviewed from the unit so far. Short breakdown. We're going to revise or revisit the unit on the whiteboard. We're going to review our number 02 formative check-in assignment and our lesson 3.4 lesson to finish up. Step 1, warm up. Just answer the question in the warm-up poll and then explain your choice in the text box. We'll take a look at which argument is a stronger argument of the two. Then you're going to write your argument. Again, use the whiteboard in the class wall to help you write your argument. Be sure to hand that in. The teacher step, we got a short video on the Curiosity rover. Gives us even more confirming evidence of water. We'll have a short discussion on past habitability of Mars, emphasizing that, if there's a source of energy, in this case the sun, since it's in our solar system, along with any evidence of liquid water, there's potential for life. The homework piece extends to what's happening now in the world around us. Would you be someone willing to go to Mars? Glance over the short article about updated information, and then provide your opinion. Be sure to hand that in. That's the lesson. Our class wall looks pretty much the same. We're at the end of a unit through 3.5, so we're not going to be updating it with any more stuff. But what I did do is take pictures of the whiteboards in class, which go over the claim in the upper left that you should all choose at this point. It's clear, it's water. Sources of evidence you should mention is listed there as the screen. And then in the middle, we bridge the evidence over to the reasoning, which is our thinking. We have the information on the left, thinking on our right. They give you card A, C, and F as 3 examples, and that meets standard. If you want to go above standard and get a 4 on your assessment, you're going to need to add at least one more piece of evidence beyond those 3. The reasoning behind those, card A showed 2 curvy streams, similarities between Earth and Mars. Card C, the stream table, showed the same branching structure. They matched. And card F showed the conglomerate rock, which matched that on Mars, which again is a type of rock created by water. So as we go over to the landforms, you should mention the channel. The geologic process you should mention is water. The rocky planets you're comparing is Earth to Mars. And with that, you'll have an extremely strong argument.